Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing the September Witch's Bounty box. So excited! September 2021. This box was given to me, but the opinions are my own. Ooh. Heart of the Universe. Ew, so sad. Rhodochrosite. Nice. I love these crystals. These crystals, Book of Shadows artworks. I'm definitely collecting all of them, like I always do, but I'm in love with these. We have Rose Aura. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon and rose. And it's got like golden and roses and stuff. That's very cool. I usually don't like the scent of rose, but that was extremely pleasant. Very nice. We've got a cord. We've got a Cosmic Heart incense, and it smells good. We've got a stone here. Let's see what it is. I'm not sure. It almost looks like a pink selenite or something, but I will obviously get it from the... Look, oh, there we go. A little candle. Been using the candles more often. Trying to manifest like calm and stuff. Well, there's a little hair. Pink candle. Nice. Goes with the pink theme. And let's see. What do we got? Oh, wow. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. This is Garnet, Rose Quartz, and Rhodochrosite. So Garnet, Rose Quartz, Rhodochrosite. This is absolutely stunning. Just beautiful. All of these pieces are so beautiful. I'm always getting compliments on them when I wear them. It is not uncommon for every soul to have to carry the burden of anxiety, disappointment, regret, and negative thought patterns. Stepping outside of ourselves, we can easily pick up on when this is happening and how to approach these emotional roadblocks. As practitioners, we find comfort in the variety of tools that are provided to us by sacred sources, carrying within them the energies of healing, support, and compassion. These come in all forms, but especially within the stones that we choose to carry with us or wear upon our skin. In this very special collection, we work with a variety of healers and energizers that are proven to raise our vibrations and connect us with the pure divine light that carries us towards our goals and manifestations. The Rose Quartz Point with Rhodochrosite and Garnet Pendant. Wow. Romans and Assyrians were some of the first known to use rose quartz as sacred and regal jewelry. The ancient Egyptians relied upon rose quartz to prevent old age from arriving too early. In the Middle Ages, practitioners considered rose quartz to hold healing and emotional balancing powers, bringing calm and tranquility. In modern times, it's considered to be the most powerful and necessary stone to work with by many magical practitioners and energy workers. Stone of Love enhances the love we have for ourselves, for others, for life, and for the earth. Rhodochrosite, self-healing and emotional breakthroughs. Soothes the hearts of many burdens and comforts the soul. That's really great. Ooh, and found within the bale of the pendant is a garnet. Purify the life force and enhance connections with inner guides and guardian angels. It's also a stone of manifestation, carries our intentions into the physical world. Very cool. Rose Aura Magical Anointing Oil smells like heaven, bringing new energies of love and compassion into your space and personal area. Allow this anointing oil to be your companion and ethereal friend. Vanilla, cinnamon, black pepper, rose, and cinnamon herbs. Wow, it smells like heaven. Bronze leaf within the special blend. And a Lumarian quartz. It smells great, guys. Cosmic Heart Ritual Incense Sticks. Compassionate Heart Spell Candle. Self-love through your workings. Yes. Oh, rough pink kunzite. Kunzite. I was looking for one of these a while ago. Emotionally stimulating and heartfelt energy. And the Rhodochrosite Book of Shadows artwork. Wow. This box is amazing. It's always got such beautiful amulets and such, and just so wonderful and powerful. I absolutely love it. This is, everything in this box is awesome. I absolutely love the smell, the rose aura, which is unusual for me because I typically am not super fond of rose smell, but this just smells divine. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I highly recommend this box, or frankly anything by The Witch's Moon. They're wonderful. And I'm a long-term customer, obviously. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm having a wonderful autumn equinox as I unbox this, and I hope for the same for you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day, full of blessings, and I look forward to connecting with you again soon.